of the Yamaha YZF motorcycle presents a sleek, aerodynamic design, showcasing its sharp lines and aggressive stance. The tail section is compact, with a high-mount exhaust that gives the bike a sporty, performance-oriented look. The rear seat is minimalist, often designed to blend seamlessly with the bike's overall flow, while the taillight is typically a modern LED unit that adds a touch of. The YZF Roan, for instance, boasts a 998cc crossplane, inline-4 engine that delivers exceptional torque and throttle response, engineered to mimic the firing order of a V4 for smoother, more linear power delivery. The YZF R6, on the other hand, has a 599cc inline-4 engine, known for its high-revving nature, making it ideal for track use, with impressive mid-range power. Both engines are coupled with advanced electronic systems, including Yamaha's variable valve timing, YCCT, and ride-by-wire throttle, providing precise control and performance across varying conditions. The front look of the Yamaha YZF Series, such as the YZF R1 or YZF R6, is characterized by its aggressive and aerodynamic design. It features sharp, angular lines that enhance its sporty appearance, with a sleek, low-slung front fairing that hugs the frame. The centrally located narrow headlights are often twin or single LED units, giving it a fierce, focused look. The front fender is compact, emphasizing the bike's performance capabilities. The overall design is built for optimal airflow, with pronounced side scoops and sculpted bodywork that contribute to both aesthetics and functionality, reflecting the bike's racing heritage.